So you like to connect your Cloudy for Excel in a very easy way. The process to make this element really fast is just by focusing into two main steps. So we can install and deploying the actual bridge. You can activate the add-in. If you head over, for example, into the Microsoft Marketplace, search for Cloudy by the Excel. So what I'm going to be doing here is just type Cloud Excel, and inside here it should be appearing the actual element of the Cloudy of the Excel. And if it doesn't appear, since the Cloudy Excel is brand new, what you can do is to download the actual application of the Cloud. And once you have now opened this, I'm going to try to quit the application. I'm going to try to open this once again. Sometimes when you open this right away, it will be showing you a new, let's say, banner that tells you, for example, that the now Microsoft is now being analyzing, and it actually works really fine. So basically here, what you need to do is just to go directly into the marketplace for the actual Excel. And if it doesn't work, there's another solution. The other solution that I can give you is that you can go directly into Cloud and ask exactly of how you can actually get started with this element. In my case, what I'm going to be doing here is to sign out because I have run out of credits, so I needed to sign into a different kind of generation in order for generating that stuff. So I'm going to go directly into the element that says sign in. I'm going to go for, let's say, for example, this application in this account. I'm going to head over for continue, and once my sign in has now been successfully connected, my credentials would be signed in directly inside here. I'm going to go for create my actual account, and I'm going to focus only for the free version. Now, a few note is that if you want to generate Excel into Cloud, it might be asking you to enter a paid plan in order to continue, so take that in mind. So when you finish with this specific process, I'm going to focus back directly into Cloud, and inside here, let's say, for example, that I want to be generating, and then delete this stuff because I don't want to be focusing a lot in that. Let's say that I go for continue, and let's say I want to connect to my Excel. This is the most easiest way of how you can actually make this problem connection between Cloud and much more stuff. For example, it says that it might be needed to connect my discovery, so I'm going to be enabling on my discovery section in order to continue. So let's go ahead and go for continue. Now it says I found a couple of options. You can connect with the Smart Sheet, or you can connect with Google Drive. So in this case, I'm going to focus for Smart Sheet, or you can go for Google Drive. You go for Google Drive, I go for continue, and it says account mismatched. So that's okay. I'm gonna log out, and I'm gonna sign in once more. Inside this sign in, since I have the same account between my website and my application, I can now head back. I'm gonna delete this, I'm gonna close this, I'm gonna try to connect this once more. And of course, going to be asking me which account would you like to use, since I have now two accounts connected. So I use the same account that I'm currently using for this specific process. I select all of it, and I have over for continue. With this being said, the connection between my drive and the Cloud has now been correctly added. So then, now that I have connected my Google Drive inside there, I'm going to head over back again directly inside there, and I think that I can be now focusing on into my actual Cloud. Now let's say none of this. Let's go for Microsoft Excel. You can still work with Excel file, but I'll load that directly here into the actual chat. So we don't want to do that in the moment. So if I open a new tab now inside my computer, I'm going to go for Cloud, Excel, Connect, and Tropic. Now it says here, use Cloud for Excel. I'm going to open this element, and I'm going to be navigating to the Cloud for Microsoft 365. This is the actual element that I want to be working on. If I hit for the element that says get it now, I can be now selecting the element that says sign in. In my case, I won't do that at the moment. Now, when you finish with this actual element, it will be asking you now to make the actual purchase. In my case, since I won't do this for now, basically what I needed to do is only choose the element that says sign in. Once this process has now been successfully done, it will be appearing now into your marketplace element, and it will be appearing into downloads. Inside downloads, Basically, we don't need to do absolutely anything else. You just need to close the application of the Claude and open it back again, so that you can see that now Excel appears into your file connections. So with this being said, guys, we have reached the very end of the video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Let us know in the comments below if this actually worked for you. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully we can all see you well next time.